In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add URL links in Draw.io diagrams for Confluence Cloud. By the end, you'll know how to make shapes in your diagrams clickable so teammates can jump straight to a website, a document, or another Confluence page, all without leaving your diagram. Start by opening your Confluence page in editing mode. Make sure you have permission to edit the page and that the diagram you want to modify is already embedded. If you're using the Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net macro, you'll see the diagram right on the page while you're editing. Click once to select the diagram. This tells Confluence you want to work with that embedded diagram. When it's selected, look for the edit icon associated with the diagram and click it to open the diagram editor. This will launch the Draw.io editor inside Confluence, where you can make changes safely. Inside the editor, click the shape you want to turn into a link. Then right-click the selected shape to open the context menu. From there, go to Edit and choose Edit Link. This is the built-in way to attach a URL to a specific object in your diagram. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure the shape is selected and that you're right-clicking on the shape itself, not the canvas. In the link field that appears, type or paste the full URL you want to use. Include the complete address, such as https followed by the domain, to ensure the link works reliably for everyone. If you're linking to internal content, confirm that your teammates have access to the destination. For external sites, it's a good idea to test the link in a separate tab first so you know it's correct. Click OK to apply the link to the selected shape. After this, the shape is now interactive. Depending on your editor settings, you may see a small link indicator on hover or a tooltip that shows the destination. If you're adding links to multiple shapes, repeat the same process. Select the shape, right-click, choose Edit, then Edit Link, paste the URL, and confirm. When you're done updating links and you're back on the Confluence editor, publish the page to save and share your changes. Publishing ensures everyone viewing the page sees the updated diagram with clickable links. After publishing, try clicking the shape to verify it opens the correct destination in your browser. That's it. You've added a URL link to a shape in a Draw.io diagram on Confluence Cloud, making your diagrams more interactive and useful for your team.